Using a blockchain explorer is simple. Here's a quick guide. First, enter the transaction ID or wallet address into the search bar. Next, you'll see detailed information, including the wallet balance, transaction history, and more. Finally, analyze the transaction details to see if it's pending, completed, and check the associated fees. But how does it all work? Blockchain explorers are connected to full nodes of the blockchain network, constantly indexing and updating data. This ensures you get accurate and current information whenever you make a search. Let's take a quick look at some of the most popular blockchain explorers. Blockchain.com - the go-to explorer for Bitcoin Etherscan, the most widely used explorer for Ethereum. Blockchair, a versatile multi-chain explorer. BSCScan for the Binance Smart Chain, developed by the Etherscan team. Solscan, your gateway to the Solana blockchain. Why should you use a blockchain explorer? Here are some key reasons. Transparency. Verify transaction details with complete transparency. Monitoring, track specific wallet activity in real time. Analysis, gather valuable data for research and decision making. Security, detect potential fraud or hacking attempts. Education, learn how blockchain networks operate. Whether you're a developer, trader, or just curious about the blockchain world, explorers empower you to navigate the decentralized digital space with confidence and clarity. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter or follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn for more insights into the world of blockchain.